Hey everybody, today I'm going to be working on a 12 by 12 canvas and I'm going to be doing the Paint Kiss pour again. I did one before and I liked it, so I'm going to try it again. The colors that I have that I'm going to use in the one cup, I have teal and violet, and those are from Artist Loft. And I only have a little bit of this. It's bronze, and that is from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. And then I have black, and that is from the Fine Touch. And then I actually am going to try to put a little bit of silicone. I never did it in the first one, but I'm going to try it with this one. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to just start with the black and layer it. I don't have a lot of this. I'll put in one drop. I'm trying not to get too crazy with it. Oh jeez, well that was crazy with it. So, alright. Whatever, I'm gonna go with it. I'm just gonna go with it. And I definitely have more black than I do the bronze. That was a leftover color. I just thought I would try it in here since I hadn't done it with the silicone. Okay, now I'll put black on the top. I'm not putting any more silicone in that cup. There is way plenty. Alright, and now I'm going to start with the teal on this one. Alright, and I'm going to attempt to put, 2 drops. I'm just interested in the effects, how it's going to turn out. One more drop in here. That's all of that. I may have made a lot. I don't really know. I don't know how much I'm going to need. It seems like a lot, but I'm sure I can do something with it. Alright, so I'm going to start with a little bit of black in the middle. I didn't do that the time before, but I think it helps it slide a little better. So, there we go. Alright, there we go. And I'm going to bend my cup. Had a little bit of difficulties the last time. So I'll just bend it. There we go. All right, here we go. quite a bit of cells right through there. Obviously that's where a lot of the silicone went. I do have some right through here too. So it did turn out pretty cool. I am really liking that. Alright guys, we're going to go in for a closer look. This turned out really cool. I really like this one a lot. This is my second time doing the Paint Kiss pour. And it's fun technique to do. There's all my cells that I got from too much silicone I put in, but it turned out okay. Alright, and then I don't know why, but it's purple. That looks like it's blue, but it's purple, so I'm not sure what's going on there. But anyway, there's some cells in there. Turned out really cool. I like this technique. So anyway, there it is. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell so you'll get notified when I upload new videos. And check out my links in the description. Alright, have a great day.